Written nearly a century ago, The Richest Man in Babylon remains one of the most powerful books on wealth ever created. Set in ancient Babylon, it reveals 5 timeless principles that separate the wealthy from the broke. And here's the brilliant bit. These lessons are just as relevant whether you're earning minimum wage or 6 figures. Let's dive in. Takeaway number 1. Pay yourself first. Here's a question that might sting a bit. Who did you pay last month? You paid your landlord, you paid Netflix, Disney Plus, and that Amazon Prime subscription you forgot you had. You paid Tesco, Pret, and probably Deliveroo more times than you'd care to admit. But did you pay yourself? The book puts it brilliantly. Far from it. You pay everyone but yourself. You might as well be a slave. Think of it this way. If you earn £2,000 a month and spend £1,000 on rent, you're effectively working 20 hours a week just for your landlord. Every expense is you working for someone else. The solution? Before paying anyone else, pay yourself first. The book suggests 1/10. 10% of everything you earn goes straight to you. Not your landlord, not Apple, not Greg's. You. This is the foundation of wealth, and without it, everything else crumbles. Takeaway number 2. Men of action are favored by the goddess of luck. We've all done it, looked at successful people and said, well, they're just lucky. They knew the right people, had the right talents, won the lottery of life. But here's what we miss. Luck isn't random. It's a numbers game. Imagine 2 people facing the same opportunities. The procrastinator finds excuses. I'm tired. The timing's not right. I'll do it Monday. The doer? They try. They fail. They try again. They fail better. Eventually, one opportunity works out. From the outside, it looks like luck. But it's not. It's mathematics. The person who takes action 10 times has 10 chances to succeed. The person who takes action once has 1 chance. Luck favors those who show up. Takeaway 3. Wealth is not about income. It's about expenses. I know plenty of people earning good money who are absolutely skint. Every time they get a raise, their spending rises to match it. More subscriptions, fancier car, bigger flat. This is financial madness for one simple reason. It makes you a prisoner. When your expenses match your income, you're completely handcuffed to your job. That boat, that car, that mortgage, they own you. When your boss asks you to clean the toilets for the 3rd time that afternoon, you want to tell him where to go. But you think about the payments, and instead you say, yes, sir, right away. Here's the law everyone must obey. Income minus expenses equals savings. It doesn't matter if you're an engineer or stacking shelves. This formula applies to everyone. The secret isn't earning more, it's spending less. Takeaway 4. When opportunity knocks, answer the door. Great opportunities are rare, and they often appear when everyone else is panicking. Take the 2008 financial crisis. The stock market crashed and people lost their minds. But for those who did their research, stayed calm, and invested when prices were at rock bottom, incredible wealth followed. The key is preparation. Do your homework, ask questions, spot the genuine opportunities, and when the moment arrives, act. Fortune favors the prepared mind, not the hesitant one. And finally, takeaway 5. Put your money to work. Here's the beautiful thing about money. Unlike you, it never needs to sleep. Once you start paying yourself first, you accumulate cash. Don't let it sit there. Invest it. Your money can work while you're at the gym, while you're watching Netflix, even while you're sleeping. It's modern slavery, and it's perfectly legal. Better still, money breeds. £100 invested becomes £110. That £110 becomes £121. Eventually, you've got an army of money working for you around the clock. This is exponential growth, and it's the difference between working for money and money working for you. So there you have it. 5 lessons from ancient Babylon that still work today. Pay yourself first. Take action, control your expenses, seize opportunities, and build passive income. These aren't secrets. They're just principles most people ignore. Don't be most people.